way to develop strategy, some companies believe, is to assemble 3 or 4 of their best people and lock them up in a room until they come up with the answer. The ivory tower think tank approach, it is often called. Other companies are fond of taking their entire senior management team to a conference center, or preferably a Caribbean island, to formulate plans for the future. The get away from the phones, get away from it all approach. Both approaches attempt to get long-term strategic thinking as far away as possible from day-to-day tactical decisions. Both approaches are wrong. The general that neglects the study of tactical situations and the development of strategy often turns around and becomes too sensitive to tactics once the battle is launched. If a strategy is soundly conceived from a tactical point of view, then the strategy ought to direct the tactics once the battle is started. A good general has the ability to overlook tactical difficulties in order to press ahead, to achieve the strategic objectives. At times, it may be necessary to expend considerable resources in order to take key points that might be holding up the development of the overall strategy. You might, for example, have to operate a given business at a loss for a short period of time in order to achieve tactical objectives that allow a general strategy to succeed. The reverse is also true. You might have to let business decline or eliminate profitable products if they are not consistent with your strategy. This can cause problems with the sales-oriented staff out for volume. Whatever the consequences, Karl von Clausewitz consistently stresses the unity of strategy. A single advantage cannot be separated from the result of the whole. A decentralized approach to management is the most common reason for the lack of strategic direction of a company's tactics. Getting decision-making out in the field is the rationale most decentralized organizations use to justify their existence. Getting out in the field to study the tactical situations is an essential part of developing a good strategy, but it's only one part. Someone still needs to tie the elements together into an organized, coherent strategy. At any given point in time, one objective should dominate a company's strategic plans. That one objective should have first call on the company's resources. You might call this concept a single point of attack.
257